A book from 1400 years ago. Science from today. What if they told the same story?
So how could it describe things we've only just confirmed with our modern science?
Now, this isn't about making the Quran a textbook. It's about exploring what it calls science.
Let's start our journey way out in the cosmos with the very beginning of everything.
Today, science tells us that universe burst forth from a single, super-dense point.
That sounds a lot like the Big Bang Theory, right? A discovery made centuries later.
And it doesn't just talk about the origin, it also describes the universe's very structure.
For most of history, we thought the universe was just static, unchanging.
But the Arabic here suggests it's still expanding, a fact we couldn't prove for 1,300 years.
Okay, let's come back from the stars, down to Earth, to look at signs on our own planet.
It describes mountains as more than just big rocks. They actually have a stabilizing job to do.
And modern geology agrees. Mountains have deep roots, like pegs holding the crust steady.
Then there's this curious phenomenon where two different seas meet, but they refuse to mix.
And we see this today. Differences in salt and density create a literal barrier between them.
What about life itself? The Quran makes a really fundamental claim about its origin.
It's such a simple statement, but think about it. Scientifically, it's absolutely spot on.
But maybe the most personal signs are found inside us, in the stages of how we're created.
These stages match modern embryology so closely, and this was described long before microscope.
So the book frames these not as scientific proofs, but as signs for us to reflect on.
So, are all these connections across different sciences just a coincidence?
Was it some kind of ancient insight just way ahead of its time?
Or maybe it's simply an invitation to think deeper about revelation and our reality.